The Wise Digital Card, virtual multi-currency debit card, lets you spend abroad with low fees, 0% FX markup, 0.42% conversion. It's not physical, so use it in-store via mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Available in 40 plus currencies, 160 plus countries. Requires Wise app and linked balances. 1. Get and activate the digital card. Open Wise app. Tap card, bottom menu. Get digital card, free, instant. Customized design, Visa only. Card details appear. 16-digit number, expiry, CVV. Set PIN in app. Under card settings. 2. Add to mobile wallet. Apple Pay. App. Card. Add to Apple Wallet. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID. Google Pay. App. Card. Add to Google Pay. Verify via phone. Up to 3 digital cards. Freeze, unfreeze anytime for security. 3. Use in store. At checkout. Unlock phone. Hold near contactless reader. Visa, MasterCard terminals. Authenticate with Face ID or fingerprint. Funds, deduct from your Wise balance. Auto converts if needed. Instant notifications. Works like any debit card, no PIN entry at most POS.